From biplanes to drones, air combat has changed a lot. It started with dogfights in World War I. Pilots in biplanes shot at each other in the sky. World War II brought bigger planes and faster speeds. Jet engines arrived later, making air combat even faster and more deadly. The Cold War saw a race for technology, with the United States and Soviet Union building advanced fighter jets. These jets could fly at supersonic speeds and carry powerful missiles. Today, air combat is entering a new era. Drones and artificial intelligence are changing how wars are fought. Drone swarms are changing how we think about air power. These swarms represent a significant shift in military strategy and technology. Imagine hundreds, even thousands of small unmanned aircraft working together. They move with precision and coordination, creating a formidable presence in the sky. This is the power of drone swarms. They operate as a single cohesive unit capable of executing complex maneuvers. These drones are more than just remote-controlled planes. They are equipped with advanced sensors and communication systems. They use AI to coordinate their actions. This artificial intelligence allows them to adapt to changing conditions in real time. They can share information and make decisions as a group, making them hard to defend against. This networked intelligence is a game-changer in modern warfare. Destroying one drone won't stop the swarm, the other drones will keep coming. The swarm is resilient and can continue its mission despite losses. They can overwhelm enemy defenses with their numbers. The sheer volume of drones can saturate and confuse defensive systems. Drone swarms can be used for many missions. Their versatility makes them invaluable in both offensive and defensive operations. They can scout enemy positions, jam radar systems, or even launch attacks. This multi-role capability makes them a powerful tool in modern military arsenals. AI is also changing the role of the pilot. The traditional image of a pilot with years of training and experience is evolving. Now, AI systems are stepping into the cockpit, bringing a new level of precision and efficiency. We're not just talking about drones controlled remotely. These advancements go far beyond that. We're talking about AI systems that can fly planes on their own. These systems are capable of handling complex flight operations without human intervention. These AI pilots are learning to fly faster and make better decisions than humans. They are trained using vast amounts of data and simulations, allowing them to adapt and improve continuously. They don't get tired or scared. Unlike human pilots, AI systems can operate under extreme conditions without fatigue or emotional stress. They can process information and react much faster in combat. Their ability to analyze data in real time gives them a significant advantage in high-stakes situations. Some people worry about machines making life or death decisions. The ethical implications of AI in combat are a topic of intense debate. But AI pilots could actually make warfare less deadly. Their precision and ability to execute complex maneuvers can reduce collateral damage. They could reduce the risk of mistakes and civilian casualties. By avoiding civilian areas and preventing friendly fire, AI pilots can make combat operations safer. The development of AI pilots is still in its early stages. Researchers are continuously working on improving these systems, making them more reliable and efficient. But it's a technology that has the potential to revolutionize air combat. As AI continues to advance, the future of aviation looks set to be transformed in ways we can only begin to imagine. The rise of drone swarms and AI pilots is changing the strategic landscape of warfare. These technologies are not just futuristic concepts. They are being developed and deployed by military forces around the world. The integration of AI and autonomous systems into military operations is revolutionizing how wars are fought and won. Countries with these technologies will have a major advantage. The ability to deploy autonomous systems can shift the balance of power in international conflicts. Nations investing heavily in AI and drone technology are positioning themselves as leaders in modern warfare. Drone swarms could be used to overwhelm an enemy's air defenses, rendering traditional defense mechanisms ineffective. This tactic could pave the way for more aggressive and decisive military strategies, and this would allow traditional aircraft to operate more freely. By neutralizing air defenses, drones can create safer airspace for manned aircraft, enhancing their operational effectiveness and reducing the risk to human pilots. They could also be used to strike targets deep inside enemy territory. This capability extends the reach of military operations, allowing for precision strikes on high-value targets without putting human lives at risk. AI pilots could give countries a numerical advantage in the air. With AI-operated aircraft, nations can deploy larger fleets without the need for extensive human training and support, making their air forces more formidable. They could also be used to keep pilots out of harm's way in dangerous missions. By using AI and drones for high-risk operations, military forces can minimize casualties and maintain a strategic edge. The use of autonomous weapons also raises ethical concerns. The decision-making process of AI in combat scenarios, the potential for unintended consequences, and the moral implications of removing humans from the battlefield are all critical issues that need to be addressed. International agreements may be needed to govern their use. As the technology advances, global cooperation and regulation will be essential to ensure that autonomous weapons are used responsibly and ethically, preventing an arms race and maintaining international peace and security. The future of air combat is uncertain, but one thing is clear: technology will continue to play a major role. Drones and AI will become even more sophisticated. They may even be able to operate completely independently. This raises important questions about the future of war. How will these technologies change the nature of conflict? What are the ethical implications of using autonomous weapons? These are questions that we need to start thinking about now. The future of warfare is being shaped today.